We've been traveling for a month in El Salvador in our rooftop tent. A trip highlight has been visiting hot springs and waterfalls. Join us as we tour Chorros de la Calera and Santa Teresa hot springs. There are two amazing hikes located in Routa, Chorros de la Calera and the 7 waterfalls, or Siete Cascadas. Each hike takes close to 2 hours and can be done individually, or you can start at Siete Cascadas and finish at Chorros de la Calera. We only had time for one of the 2 hikes. We planned on 7 waterfalls, but after some miscommunication with our driver, we ended up at Chorros de la Calera. Chorros de la Calera is part of the nature reserve, and you must have a guide to access the locked and private trails. After a short hike through the jungle and a series of locked gates, you reach the first falls. There's a total of 5 waterfalls here. The water is crystal clear and quite cold, a nice spot for a refreshing dip before hiking out.
This is our ride home. The real El Salvador experience.
So what do you think of this transport?
I think it's super fun.
The next day, we headed to Santa Teresa hot springs. The hot springs are located in a natural paradise. The natural spring water is heated from the Santa Teresa hot water geyser, and it's the largest in Central America. The water is filled with natural healing minerals. A soak is a great way to relax and rejuvenate. There are many pools with varying temperatures, from really hot to cold and refreshing. A great place to spend the day pool hopping. We paid $10 per person to enter the springs and an additional $5 per person to camp. Camping here is nothing special. You can stay in their parking lot with a van, RV, or a rooftop tent. But the beauty is that you can use the pools in the evening even after the park closes. They also have hotel rooms available, so if you're not a camper, you might want to splurge and spend the night. On site, they have a full-service spa with a variety of massages and aesthetic treatments. I opted for the $10 mud and steam treatment. After applying the mineral-laden mud all over your body, you enter the eucalyptus steam house. Once the mud dries, you shower off, revealing smooth, soft skin. After a day of pampering, we're back on the road. We spent one night in the city of Santa Ana. A small boutique hotel called Villa Napoli welcomes overlanders. You can stay in their secure parking lot for free, so long as you eat at their restaurant. A great stop on the Pan American Highway. El Salvador has been truly amazing, but tomorrow we're heading to the Guatemala border. Stay tuned as we spend the next month exploring everything Guatemala has to offer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next amazing adventure.